In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see rarity rankings on OpenSea. If you've ever browsed NFTs on OpenSea and wondered where the clear rarity rank is, you're not alone. OpenSea shows traits and counts, but it doesn't natively provide full rarity rankings for every item. To bridge that gap, we'll use a trusted browser extension that overlays rarity data while you browse. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. We're going to search for a tool that helps display rarity on top of OpenSea's interface. In the search bar, type Rarity Sniper extension. You'll see a variety of results for NFT rarity tools. In those results, look for the listing that says Trait Sniper Chrome Web Store. Click that result to open the official extension page. Always make sure you're on the real Chrome Web Store and that the publisher looks legitimate before you proceed. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome. Your browser will pop up a small confirmation asking if you want to add the extension. Click Add Extension to confirm. The browser will download it, run a quick check, and then enable it. If you don't see it right away, click the puzzle icon near the top right of your browser to open your extensions menu. From there, you can pin the extension so it's easy to access. Now click on the extension to open it. Most Rarity extensions will either show a small dashboard or quietly activate in the background. With it enabled, go back to your OpenSea tab or refresh the page. As you browse a collection, you should start seeing Rarity-related info appear on collection pages and item cards, such as ranks or scores alongside trait details. If nothing shows, give the page a refresh, confirm you're viewing a supported collection, and make sure the extension is toggled on. A few quick tips to keep things smooth and secure. Only install extensions from official stores and read the description and reviews. Be mindful of permissions. These tools should not need your wallet seed phrase, and you shouldn't have to sign transactions just to view ranks. If the overlay looks off, try clearing your cache or temporarily disabling other NFT extensions that might conflict. And remember, rankings can vary by provider depending on how they weigh traits, so consider the rank as guidance, not a guarantee. That's it. With the extension installed and active, you'll be able to see rarity rankings while you browse OpenSea, making it faster and easier to evaluate NFTs at a glance.